Good evening, friends. Welcome to all of you to our channel Wealthy with Multibagger. Today I am going to show you fundamental analysis of one of the multibagger stock which has given two times. You can say price has increased two times in the last 5 years, but 48 times in the last 10 years. Multibagger stock. So let's please stay here and just see what is the multibagger stock I am going to show you. Before proceeding that, first see this particular chart. How this particular company has performed in last 10 years. Multibagger return. Company has given 4,883% return in last 10 years. You can say current price is 2643.7 and particular current market cap of this particular company is 2892 crore. Current price to earning ratio 23.5 and book value 657. Company is providing dividend yield 0.91, which is also very good. Return on capital employed 16.9, return on equity 17.7. Face value of the particular company is 10, so it is also very good sign. Company's PEG ratio is 1.5155. It means that company has never companies have recently can move very slow or maybe will stay as a flat. Equity capital is 10.9, showing that the company is having low equity capital, not moving too much, and current ratio is also showing 1.62. It means that current asset is 1.62 times of current liabilities. Price to book value is showing 4 times. It means the current price is something 4 times of their particular book value. Growth factor is 5, which is also excellent, and Piotrowski 8. Whenever you see any companies having Piotrowski 8, it means that the company is having great fundamental stock. Return on asset of last 5 years is 8.18. So you can say the asset return is something like a flat or maybe equal to the particular industries. Debt to profit is 4 times. It means that company is having some debt and it is recovering it very fast. Altman score is 5.23. It means that whenever any stock is having Altman score 3 or more than 3 is very good stock. Difference in IV is minus 1343. It means that the company's current price is something near to their particular intrinsic value, higher than particular intrinsic value, you can say that. Solid check 1, it means that the company's equity capital never changed last 10 years, means companies is not changing particular equity capital, and management very strong here. EPS of latest quarter 28, but full year is 112. Okay, and if you say the 10 years sales variation is 13%, but profit variation 18.6%. Unplaced promoter holding 56.43. It means that promoter has increased particular position in last few years. It means that promoter is having full conviction on this stock. And if you talk about the net sales of the quarter wise, if you see that the company latest quarter sells 275 crore, which is increasing slowly every month, it means that you can say 17 to 18% growth every quarter. And if you talk about the EBITDA growth here, company's EBITDA is also showing like 68 crore EBITDA, which is also showing 10% growth from the quarter-on-quarter basis. If you talk about interest, company is paying interest of 10 to 11 crore. I think in upcoming month this particular company can reduce particular debt. And if you talk about the last 10 quarter PAT growth, if you say that 31 crore PAT as per the recent quarter, and companies has shown 30% growth in the PAT. Company's EPS is also 28.38. If you talk about last 10 years sales growth, it is showing excellent here. In 2015 the sales was 402 crore, but current is showing 1059. It means that the companies has exponential growth of the particular sales year on year basis. And as per the last quarter last full year consideration, 17% growth it is showing. EBITDA is also showing 275 crore. EBITDA growth is 12.88, and overall EBITDA margin company is maintaining excellently 25 to 26%. If you say that interest, company has increased their particular interest position, means company has taken some loan from the bank and particular paying the interest timely to the bank. Company is having some PAT here, great PAT growth here is going to 30% growth. In the recent PAT is showing 123 crore. If you talk about the adjusted EPS, company's EPS is increasing from 35 rupees to 112, which is also showing 32% growth in the EPS. If you talk about the return on capital employed, return on equity, and return on asset, which is showing for this company 17.43, 17.14 and 8.31 respectively as per 2023 March. And if you talk about the book value per year, book value for a particular company is showing 93 rupees. Now it is showing 657, exponential growth in last 10 years for this healthcare stock. The company's fundamental also showing the working capital. Company's working capital is basically showing negative value. It means the company is getting particular amount of money, means 13 or 14 days earlier in advance. And also the company shareholding fund, if you talk about, the company never changed their equity capital, is showing solid 10.94. company never dilute their particular equity, and reserve is also growing exponentially, which the investor like it. Now talk about the last 10-year liabilities growth. Company liabilities also growing here from 186 crore to 538 crore. Also company's liability is also growing from 62 crore to 185 crore, as per current liabilities also growing. If you talk about non-current asset, company's fixed asset is very excellent, maintaining by the excellent managed by the company, which is showing 1110 crore. Long-term investment also 0.26, and long-term advance is also showing 18.85, and long-term asset also company having 13 crore. If you talk about current asset, the company's inventory is almost 13 crore, and sundry debtors company is receiving from the market 25 crore, and cash and bank company is having 248 crore cash. Excellent position by the company. Others are also having 11.39 crore. If you talk about the promoter, Indian promoter is 55.72, and foreign promoter is 0.7. And if you talk about a public's holding 43%, out of which FIA holding 2.25 and DIA holding 2.08, and 39% intact holding by particular public. What is the company name? Company name is Kovai Medical Center and Hospital. If you see that, the company is having some great initiative. Company is working in the healthcare sector in the western region of Indian side, and also having company 25 year of experience. You can also provide feedback to the particular company. Company is having all weather touch, online program, online service of the doctor, and also company is having healthcare provided in western approach. And companies having the heart institution, multi-organ transplant, comprehensive cancer center, pediatric, orthopedics, lot of company providing lot of service. And you can say companies having 24/7 emergency service, trauma center, insurance companies also checking, and organ transplant program they are having, a lot of different center in the country. Always check with your advisor before taking in further position in this company. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.